we'd listen to the Yidishe Shtunde. There was a Sunday morning broadcast of in Yiddish on the one of the local radio stations, and they would play Yiddish songs, and there'd be some cultural thing on it, and but we'd all gather and listen to that together. The announcer would say, "The Yidische Stunde is in der Luft," and I would always laugh about that because it really wasn't in the Luft. But it was followed by the Italian station. The Italian after the Yidische Stunde, there was the Italian Stunde. Benvenuto di programma di Italiano.